Good afternoon, everyone. Just wanted to get out my first video on the channel. Again, I'm new to this. It's been a while since I posted some videos. I have kind of hit the reset button. I just want to keep things short and sweet. I do not want them long. Probably all my videos will be between 5 and 10 minutes max. We don't need more than that to discuss market analysis. But overall, just kind of want to show you what I'm seeing with Bitcoin here. We have the futures markets opening in a few hours here, and everything looks weak. You know, Nasdaq is following, Bitcoin is following Nasdaq very closely. But before we get started, if you can like this video, subscribe to this video, set alerts, and really use my referral link. I want to give this information to you guys free, and I want to do it multiple times a week. And using my PrimeXBT referral link will keep this keep this channel going and free, because my time, you know, it's worth. Hopefully, you find it's worth a lot. Either way, let's just dive right in. Here's Bitcoin on the 2 hour. The one, anything lower, I don't really care about. I care about the 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 12 hour if we're looking for future forecasts on Bitcoin itself. But as you can see, we're trending up here, right? And if you don't have it already, the only indicator I use is Awesome Oscillator. So it's called AO. You can just type that in indicators, and you can actually pop it up down here. I just trade price action versus AO. I mean, I keep it as simple as possible, guys. And ladies, it's not difficult once you learn my methods. But as you can see, we're trending up here. I started to place some shorts in, you know, around here the other day. Probably around, about 21,300. I think I got in. I started adding on them as we were weakening here. 21,400, we got a scam pump up. Bears quickly took control, and they're driving the price down. But anyway, we got price moving up. So I'm just continuing to layer in shorts, okay? And this is literally a 95% hit rate on 2 hours or higher. I'm just layering in shorts as price is moving up, because this momentum, as price moves up, as you can see, we're going down. So really what I'm expecting this week is something, you know, we could push back up here, but I'm expecting us to drive down. So let's reset the charts. Let's move over to the 4 hour. I'm seeing the same exact thing. Again, you can remove the indicators. We just opened this bar. This last bar opened black, red. You're gonna have it red on your chart, but I don't like looking at a Christmas tree. Not that I don't like Christmas, I just don't like the green-red candles. Personal preference. But again, price moving up. We opened up black, we're moving down. I would have layered in shorts. I started layering shorts here. Again, 21,069, I'm a little underwater, no big deal. My stops are just above 22,000 at the moment. Layered shorts again here upon the black AO or red AO bar that you will have. Again, expecting the same exact movement, something like this, possibly just straight down. But again, everything in the markets looks weak. Move over to the 6 hour, same exact thing. So we opened this 6 hour bar about an hour and 35 minutes ago. Again, looks weak, moving up, right? Simply put, moving up. AO is looking weak. We do not have the second peaks or the other peaks in this chart, but again, I'm expecting the same exact thing down. Same thing with the 12 hour, and this is how I trade, guys. It's the same thing. I mean, this thing's gonna roll red, it seems like. I mean, even if we push up to 22,000, looks like we're gonna eventually just tank. We've had a lot of consecutive green AO bars. I really doubt we break up. But everything, the market's looking weak. And I know we closed and we don't have it open yet. In a couple hours, the futures markets will open. But you can pull up the Nasdaq chart. We can, since Bitcoin is following Nasdaq, almost to a T. So very strong movements up here at the moment. Still, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, 1 hour. Nothing is exciting me here. Maybe zoom into the 30-minute. This is where it gets exciting. Because in the 1 hour, you just saw higher peaks on the AO. If Nasdaq opens up the week red, we should see a nice move down on Bitcoin. And sometimes I don't even use stops. Right now, I think we're going to be ranging between, say, 22, 23,000 and the 17,000 for a while. So you don't necessarily need to stop. I might move it depending on how the charts form. But same thing's forming. This is the only interesting time frame so far. As I zoomed out, I was looking at the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, but we're looking at, here's the price moving up, starting to form a divergence on AO. It's getting weaker. I'm going to look for a black or red AO bar here, which should drive the price down. Even if Nasdaq pumps a little to open the week, we should drive down. And that's it. And you can see the Nasdaq's been trending strong here now since June 23rd and pumping. So I would expect, I do expect a pullback eventually here. So that's about it. You know, I keep it real simple. It's just following price action versus AO. AO is a momentum indicator, and it just basically just takes the market where you want to. As you can see, the market's been trending up here on the 30-minute. And as I pulled, like I said, the 2 hour is just trending straight up. Won't remove those, but it's trending straight up. We're going to eventually see a pullback here. I'm assuming very, very quickly. I don't pay attention to news or anything in that matter. So, yeah, I don't care about the news. I don't care what's going on. I strictly just play the charts. I hope this video helps. Again, like, subscribe, set alerts, and use my referral link if you can. I want to keep this channel free. I'm going to give market updates hopefully 3, 4, 5 times a week, and just quick videos, 5 to 10 minute videos in and out, and that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or contact me on Twitter. My link's even in the bio of or in this under this video. Take care, guys.